Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So the Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3 will both have IPX8 water resistance as was earlier revealed, which would put them more on par with Samsung's non-folding phones. The information was posted earlier by Max Weinbach and now corroborated by Evan Blass, who tweeted the rating along with what appears to be an image from Samsung showing the phones getting splashed. The water resistance tidbit adds to the pile of leaks and images that we've seen leading up to Samsung's August 11th Unpacked event, where the phones are expected to be announced. The rumored IPX8 rating for the phones doesn't cover dust resistance, something that's been a bit of a concern since Samsung started making folding phones. This explainer does a good job of going over how IP ratings work. However, an official water resistance rating would likely be a relief for those worried about the durability of the historically expensive handsets. It also lets the phones fit in better with the rest of Samsung's flagships, which have had water resistance for years. Blass tweet also mentions the camera and screen specs for the phones, as well as the S Pen options that will reportedly be available for the Z Fold 3. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile. We've also got an idea of how Samsung wants us to attach the stylus to the phone, using a case that fits it in right over the hinge. It's a similar approach to how Samsung handled the inclusion of pen support on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, though maybe a touch more elegant. We've also seen what has reportedly leaked official marketing renders of the Z Flip 3. According to Blass, the Z Flip 3 will feature a 6.7-inch internal display, while the clamshell's outer side will offer a smaller 1.9-inch display. Meanwhile, the Z Fold 3 will reportedly boast 7.6-inch internal and 6.2-inch external displays. In terms of camera specs, Blass says the Z Flip 3 will offer dual 12MP sensors on its rear, along with a 10MP selfie camera, while the Z Fold 3 is said to carry 3 rear 12MP sensors, a 10MP selfie camera on its cover, and a 4MP selfie camera for use when unfolded. Giving us a good look at the bigger outside screen and reoriented dual cameras, though they, unfortunately, don't show the fun two-tone color scheme we've seen in previous leaks. The outside screen on the original Z Flip and Z Flip 5G was tiny, relegating the notifications and clock to a corner of the phone's cover. The next generation seems to be making it easier for those trying to see their notifications or take selfies with the main cameras. The Z Fold's S Pen compatibility points towards Samsung's foldable phones receiving features that its more traditional phones have already gotten. As for power, a benchmark point to a Snapdragon 888 chipset, the same as you'll find in the Galaxy S21 range in some regions, and 8GB of RAM, so this should be a powerful phone. Elsewhere, we've heard that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 could come in 128GB and 256GB storage sizes, as well as running Android 11. 128GB is less than the Galaxy Z Flip comes with, which could mean a lower starting price. Indeed, we have also heard rumors of a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip Lite, and it's possible this affordable foldable phone actually is the Z Flip 2 or 3, with the next phone designed to hit a lower price point than the one we've currently got. That is all for now guys. Meanwhile, we look forward to the August 11th event, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.